Hi everybody, this is Sylvia with the Education Department at the Journey Museum and Learning Center. You know, when we eat, we use a spoon and a fork and eat with our mouth, but when birds eat, they have different size and shapes of beaks to help them to get their food and get it digested. So today we're going to learn about the difference of birds' beaks and how they're useful for them. Today we're going to talk about the hummingbird and the woodpecker. The hummingbird has a long, narrow beak, so the bird can put its beak into a flower and suck out the nectar. Kind of the same way with the woodpecker, but the woodpecker needs to get the insects out of the bark of the tree. Now let's take a look at the difference between the woodpecker and the American robin. Remember, the woodpecker has a long, narrow beak to get insects out of the bark of a tree. But the robin's beak is less long, it's more short. And the thing is, the robin is going to pick out the worm out of the earth. Then it drops it and then repicks it up and swallows it in one gulp. What I like about this activity is that it contains items that you may pick up the store easily or already have at home, such as peanut butter, pretzel, birdseed, pine cone, out in your backyard, and string.